Akanpe, the child who has deliberately come to make us complete. Ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ wá láti sọ wá di pípé. Èyí tó kanlẹ̀ dé láti mú wa pé. Àkànpé. The word kan means to do something deliberately, to do something intentionally, specially with a purpose. And pé, very simply, means complete. And Akanpe is therefore the child whose deliberate arrival has made complete the number of children in the family. So, this can be an Oriki for a last-born child. But it goes beyond that. It can also mean the child whose arrival has made complete the good things needed in this family. So it goes beyond the number of children. Akanpe, ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ wá láti mú ire wa pé. Ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ wá láti mú ọlá wa pé. Ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ wá láti mú ayọ̀ wa pé. It can be anything. But the most important thing about this name is that this child's coming, this child's deliberate arrival has made us fuller, has made us complete, has made us fulfilled. Your deliberate coming has made us full. Wàá Ṣere.